Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Diwali. 1. Diwali is a Hindu festival. Number 2. It is a festival of lights celebrated in India. 3. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. 4th, on this day, people wear new clothes. 5th, people play with fireworks and crackers. 6th, Diwali is a festival enjoyed by everyone. 7. It is celebrated in October or November each year. 8. Diwali marks the victory of light over darkness. 9. Diwali is a 5-day long festival. 10. Diwali teaches us great lessons of unity and peace. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.